A very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to present you the practical demonstration of the looping statement as we have already discussed about the control structure in previous video. So let's start with the practical implementation of this control structure, that is looping and conditional statement. So this is a code block software. So here I am writing a program for the looping, that is for loop. So for in this you have to initialize the variable, that is int x equal to 0. After you have to put the semicolon, then you have to make a condition that x is less than 5 and x plus plus. This is updation that we have already discussed in syntax. So here I want to print the message hi for the 5 times. So cout, I am using /n so that it print the output in next line, that is hi. Here you can write return 0, that is optional, not mandatory. Run this program. Here there is a quotation 2 times I have used. Build this program. Can you see this output? Hi, hi, hi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is printing this output, the message hi for the 5 times. If I don't use this /n, then you can see that the output is in a single line, that is hi, 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 hi. So that's why I use /n. If you don't want to use /n, you can use handle here. Build this program and run this program. You will see that again the output, the message hi is in next line, printing the next line, hi, 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 hi. So this is a for loop. You want to print any instruction, any message again and again till the condition is true. जब तक कंडीशन ट्रू हो तब तक आप क्या करोगे, इस पर्टिकुलर लाइन को प्रिंट करोगे बार बार. जैसे कंडीशन फॉल्स हो गया तो ये यहाँ पर आएगा. इसके बाद आपके पास जो इंस्ट्रक्शन है, जैसे मान लो यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा सी आउट हाई बाय /n बाय. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि प्रोग्राम से बाहर आ जाएगा. इसका मतलब ये है कि जैसे कंडीशन फॉल्स हो गया तो अब यहाँ से बाहर आएगा और ये लाइन प्रिंट करना शुरू कर देगा. अगर इसके नीचे जो आपने कोडिंग की है तो वो भी वो एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. बिल्ड, ये देखो हाई 5 टाइम्स हाई देन बाय. जैसे कंडीशन फॉल्स होगी इस लूप से बाहर आ गया और यहाँ प्रिंट करना शुरू कर दिया. इस लाइन को इसने एग्जीक्यूट किया. अगर नीचे और भी कोई भी आपने इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया हो तो वो उसको भी एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. So this is initialization, this is condition checking, and this is updation. Here you are incrementing the value of x by 1. आप एक एक करके आप इंक्रीमेंट कर रहे हो x की वैल्यू को. सेम you can use with int x equal to 0, that is initialization, while x less than 5 cout high. In the end you can also use handle if you don't want to use /n. Then updation x plus plus. Again the output is 5 times high. तो इसमें क्या है, सबसे पहले यहाँ पर क्या है, दिस इज इनिशियलाइजेशन, दिस इज कंडीशन चेक इन. यहाँ पर कंडीशन चेक इन हो रही है. फिर यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, आपका अपडेशन हो रहा है. ठीक है. आप इसको उल्टा करके भी कर सकते हो। अगर आप x की वैल्यू 5 कर रहे हो तो यहाँ पर कंडीशन आपको इक्वल टू 0 करना है, तो 0 भी कर सकते हो। x शुड बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0, पर यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, फिर x की वैल्यू को माइनस माइनस करना पड़ेगा। यानी पहले 5 हुआ, 5 इज ग्रेटर देन 0, कंडीशन इज ट्रू, then this line will be printed. After that the value of x will be decremented by 1, so here the value will become 4. Then it will move here, 4 is greater than 0, yes, condition is satisfied. Then again this line will be printed, again the value of x will be decremented, that is it become 3, again this condition will be checked. So this is a loop in when x value is 0, so 0 is equal to 0, again condition is satisfied, then this line will be printed. When the value of x is minus 1, so again minus 1 is not greater than 0, so it will print for the value 5 4 3 2 1 0, then 6 time. Build this program, so you can see the output high 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 high. So you are getting this message 6 time, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is, you can use like this also, but here the value of x should be high and it should be decrementing in updation. If it is the value starting from 0, then you have to increment this value. In case of do while loop, suppose the value of x is 0, that is initialization. After that we use keyword do while, that is cout slash n high, देन सेमीकोलन। सेमीकोलन आपने लगाना है, यहाँ भी लगाना आपने std सेमीकोलन, then you have to use this here while condition check in x less than 5, here you have to put semicolon. So this is initialization part, that is the value of x is equal to 0. After that this instruction will be executed and finally in the end the condition will be checked. So plus plus, so it is printing high 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 high, that is 5 times it is printing this message. If you skip this updation part, that is when you comment this updation part, so here the value of x is 0, so it is 0 is less than 5, there is no incrementing, so it is infinite loop. So you can see that it will keep on printing this message. ये देखो ये बार बार प्रिंट कर रहा हाय हाय. So this is infinite loop. So now I hope you have understood the concept of the looping statement, how to use this concept in CodeBlock software, or you can use this concept in Turbo C++ or any other software. So that's all for today. Thank you.